Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I have a week of groceries to get, and afterwards, I'll be stopping at Meijer to take advantage of a little bit of their sale. So let's go into the store, get some goods, go to Meijer, and then we'll share with you the meal plan at the end. Okay, I thought this is super cool. It's a collapsible cooler with a stand. It's only $17. That looks like an amazing camping item. And some camping tables. We don't camp. I don't need that much portability, but I thought these looked really pretty ingenious. My son's request, turtles, $3.95. He loves these. And he's actually having friends over to swim tonight, and he wants to have these out. I'm gonna get these just to have on hand for breakfast. Breakfast biscuits, brown sugar cinnamon, $3.29. And here's the other thing he wanted to have out while swimming were mini donuts. So I'm gonna get chocolate. They're $3.15. Oh no, $3.15. But he said the goldfish or the gold turtles and donuts were his request. And they'll be swimming, so they'll need energy to burn. My husband requested that I get potato chips. We have sour cream, and he wants to make chip dip with it using onion soup mix, which we also have on hand. So I'm gonna get these, $2.59. A loaf of white bread, basically grilled cheese and toast, $1.29. Red grapes are 99 cents a pound. They look pretty good, so I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna get this bag right here, 99 cents per pound, nice and firm. Our bananas were eaten all last week, so I'm gonna get more. I'll get these, 45 cents a pound. I'm making butter chicken, and I need cilantro. It's not priced, but usually it's about 75 to 85 cents. Our first watermelon of the year did not turn out good. These are very dark, but I'm gonna try one again, $4.65. Such a great fruit to have on hand, and it's a hot week. Another requested item was kiwi. We haven't had that in a while, so I'll get this at $4.39. Lots of kiwis. My son single-handedly almost ate an entire bag of cuties last week, so I'm gonna get more, $3.59. We are gonna have salads with fettuccine alfredo this week, and we're taking some to a friend, so I'm gonna make a big old bowl. They just had a baby, and I love bringing food to people that have babies. $2.89 for the lettuce. Okay, I'm gonna get this mac and cheese. Sunday, we are going out of town for a family's open house. My cousin graduated, but I'm gonna need an easier dinner when I get home, and this will just be part of it, $2.95, and my family loves this. I need eggs. I'm gonna eventually have to make more dog food this week, and we just keep it on hand, $1.87. I'm gonna get 2 dozen. I'm making butter chicken, so I need 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 89 cents a piece. Hubby's favorite peanut butter, $3.95. $1.95 for the Olive Garden dupe. We're gonna make a big Italian dressing salad for our friends and for us, $1.95. I want to report back that my kids made the yellow and they really liked it, so we haven't tried the pink yet, but we're big fans. Gnomes are not plentiful anymore, kind of picked over. They have some nice pizza tools. This is one that I think is a really nice pizza rocker. If you have a pizza oven, you gotta need that. Different ones are only $6.99. Some grilling tools, a grill light, serving tray that's dishwasher safe. That's nice. Different tablecloths, super cute. Party pack for the 4th of July. These are cute tumblers. Really like all the colors. Meal prep containers. I actually like these for leftovers. A sink collapsible colander, more vacuum sealed insulated tumblers, a pop-up tent, different sleeping bags, lots of camping items, ice maker. We have one of these. It's really nice out by the pool. This is nice if you do a lot of water sports. Smartphone case. They have sleeping blankets, $13, a sleeping mat, $15, a travel hammock, $13, pop-up stool, $10. Lots of different camping things. We're not campers, but a little pet pool, obviously too little for my doggy. These shorts are really cute. I also like the slides here. These seem nice and plush. Those are only $8. Hooded towels, different sprinklers, pet grooming tools. Oh, a pet flotation aid. Let's see, up to 120 pounds? I don't think so. Floating dog toys. My dog does not go in the pool. We get that question all the time. She likes to put her feet in, but she does not like to swim. She likes to just watch. She can swim if we pull her in, but she just goes right out and puts her feet back in. Different pickleball tools. Giant parachute. Disc golf, bluey plush, different crafts, the hammock stand. Look how cute all this stuff is, lemonade stand items. This is adorable, Alex's lemonade stand. We've had so many lemonade stands over the years. My kids loved it when people stop, so I always try to stop when I see them. I also see these rompers that are adult and kid sizes. Super cute. Oh, water enhancers. Lemon cream covered almonds or chocolate raspberry covered almonds. Fruit strips. $3.09. I need soap refill. Okay, I'm gonna get actually 2 packs of the fettuccine because we're making this for our family and another family, $1.99 a piece. And then I'm gonna get shaker parmesan for our house, $2.95. And then I'm just gonna get a jar of the tomato, basil, and garlic sauce, and that's $1.59, just to have in our pantry. It's not red sticker chicken, but it's all on thighs, so I'm gonna leave it behind. I have chicken breast in my freezer I'll use, and I hate to say it, but we did not like these at all. I definitely need butter for butter chicken and for Alfredo sauce, $3.59. I have some heavy cream still, but it's not gonna be enough for butter chicken and for double Alfredo, so I need more, $5.29. They have these panko tenders, $9.49. We've bought them in the past. They're not bad. I'm not buying them again though. Let's see, chicken patties, smash burgers. I have to go over and see what those patties look like. My husband likes to shape them himself when he makes smash burgers, but they have snow crab clusters, Alaskan cod, beer battered fillets, shrimp, popcorn shrimp. All the things I will not be purchasing. Let's see, lots of different pizzas. The Screaming Sicilian, French bread, jalapeno pepper, chickpea crust, interesting. I am gonna get more of the mini cheese pizzas, $6.39, my kids love these. Southwest Fiesta salad, it's quinoa, or there's rustica, chickpeas, orzo. Looks pretty good. So you can microwave it or thaw it and then just stir some oil in. I wonder if my kids would eat that. My vegetarian doesn't love zucchini, so I feel like she wouldn't try it just because of that. But it looks pretty interesting for $3.49. Okay, so they have Italian sausage with peppers blend. They have some roasted veggies. They have onion rings. And then they have $3.99 these root beer floats. I'm gonna get these 8 of them for $3.99. Pretty good deal. And I know my kids will like them by the pool. Lots of different sweets. Cheesecakes that are $12.99. They have key lime and an all-American. They have different gelato layered for $2.69. And lots of different popsicles, ice creams. I'm gonna get, I might come back and get these, but I wanna see if they have the Aldi colored popsicles. I'm on a Parmesan quest today. I need a block for $4.39. My daughter Elsie asked me to get extra sharp cheddar for her, so I'm gonna get that for $1.75. I'm getting the Aldi lemon water, $3.79. I really like the limoncello from LaCroix, but the price difference isn't justified. I'm gonna get broccoli for butter chicken at $1.09. Also cauliflower rice for butter chicken. I normally get just plain, but I'm gonna get the garlic and herbs this time, $1.69. Another item that was a hit from last week that I'm getting more of is waffles, $1.99. I'm surprised they don't have just the Aldi colored popsicles yet. I guess I'll look at Meijer to see what they have. Okay, I'm just in the Aldi Finds aisle, and these Loft House cookies, blackberry marshmallow, seem like ones my daughter would really like, so I'm gonna get these. She asked me actually to get Loft House cookies, and I originally told her no because they're expensive, but then this looked pretty good to me, so I thought she'd probably like them too. A different flavor, so we're gonna get these. These look interesting, sweet potato chips. They also have some veggie chips. Lots of different crunchies, easy snack things. Okay, here is my cart before I go to Meijer. Remember, I use a lot of things that I have on hand in my freezer, also things from Meijer, but any guess on the total? Okay, my total here is $98.65. Let's go to Meijer. Okay, we're at Meijer. They have 7 for $7 sales where things go pretty deeply discounted, and I'm gonna stock up on several things, especially lunch items that my kids like. My kids love blackberries, and they're 99 cents again, so definitely gonna get 3 containers of these. Okay, 7 for $7 has these large mangoes for $1 if you buy 7 of any of the items, so I'm gonna get 3 large mangoes. You can also get the golden one, so I might get one of these too. This one's nice and soft. Elsie, my daughter, is a big mango fan, especially. Both my girls love mango, and I love mango. So actually I'm gonna get 4. They feel really nice. 7 for $7 is also on the broccoli crowns. These are really good in our vegetable tray. I just gotta find some really nice and green looking ones. That one looks good. And that one looks pretty good. So I'm getting 2 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 of these greenhouse cucumbers that are 7 for $7. They're really nice and long, very stiff, so they're not mushy. My kids love cucumbers. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. This might seem excessive, but I'm going to get 5 of these. I'm gonna get 3 flaming hot and 2 sour cream and onion, but they're really great to take to the pool. They're really great to just have on hand. Also, they're 7 for $7 instead of $2.59, and if I buy 5 of them, I have a $3 off coupon. So I'm gonna save some money, and this is how my pantry becomes full. 3 flaming hot. Actually, I'm gonna get 6, even though I only need to get 5. I'm gonna get 1 barbecue and 2 sour cream and onion. Maybe I needed a cart, not a basket. Okay, these aren't too much on sale, but still, it's a nice stock up time. My kids love this. Nor pasta sides, the broccoli cheddar with the curly pasta. So I'm gonna get 5 of these. And then this is an easy thing that they can make and pair it with the fruits and veggies for lunches. 5. You know, it's hot and humid out when this is what the freezer section looks like. But this is what I was looking for popsicle wise. Orange, lime, and raspberry. $3.99 for 20 popsicles. Almost forgot them. Okay, so I have my nice full cart here. I'm gonna check out in a moment, but I'm on my way to the pharmacy, which is all the way down there, to pick up a script. So it's like I'm lifting weights until I get there. Any guess on my total? Okay, so I spent $22.55 and I saved $28.01, so I call that a good deal for all this. Yay! Okay, our meal plan. Tonight we're having breakfast. This got pushed again last week, so we're having it tonight. We ended up just having a pantry meal. Tomorrow my husband and I get a date night and my kids are going to my in-laws. We're part of an event downtown, so we get to go on a date night and my kids will be at the in-laws. On Wednesday, I'm making chicken Alfredo. I'm also going to make homemade breadsticks, and I'm going to make an Italian salad. We'll eat that, and we're also going to deliver that to friends. I just love giving meals to people that just had a baby. I really loved that when I had them, so I like to do it for other people. Thursday, we are having a pantry meal because we are actually going out of town to visit my grandma and having a late lunch with her. And I don't know who's going to be that hungry when we get home, so I'm not planning or buying a meal. We're just going to have whatever is available or sounds good to the individual. Friday, I'm making butter chicken. That's one of my favorite dinners. Saturday, we are having a bunch of middle schoolers over for a pool party. We're going to do things like hot dog and kind of grab and go snacks, but I didn't shop for any of that because I want the fruits, the vegetables, everything to be fresh, the buns. So that's going to be a separate haul that you will see at some point, but we're having a big old pool party. Sunday, we're going to my cousin's open house. As I mentioned, I got that mac and cheese for something simple, and then we're going to have leftovers, whether it's the butter chicken or pool party items. I don't know what's going to be left, but it's going to be that mac and cheese, fruits, veggies, whatever's left in the trays. Lots of scrounging on Sunday. But this is our meal plan for the week. And if you want to see how I make my literal favorite dinner to make at home, butter chicken, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.